Hello everyone, so today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a closet light fixture to a rotatable light fixture. Before working with electricity, turn off the circuit breaker. Once you turn off your circuit breaker, you just need to loosen those 3 screws and make sure you hold this globe and move it back and forth until it comes out. And this will get access to the light bulb. And you just need to remove this light bulb. And you'll find those 2 screws that's holding this light fixture housing to a junction box, which this is really easy to remove. You just need a flathead screwdriver, loosen up those 2 screws, and this whole assembly will come off. As I loosen up those 2 screws, once you loosen up those 2 screws, you're able to twist the light fixture housing. And you'll see those 3 wires inside the junction box. You just need to get those pulled out. And you just need to separate these wires so they don't touch each other as you remove it, so you won't have problem taking these wires off. And you just need to remove the wire nuts, remove the ground, and remove the hot wire. It's considered as a black wire. And remove the neutral. And make sure you hold the fixture or so it'll come out as you're removing it off the light fixture junction box. And the whole light fixture assembly comes out as you remove those 3 wires that goes to the light fixture. And we're gonna wire in the new one as I get the new light fixture to deliver to my house. So as you can see, I ordered the new light fixture off Amazon. I will put a link in the description down below so you can get one of these even if you're replacing yours with this model. It's a really nice one for closets. All right, let's assemble this. Just going to pull this out of the box. This is what you're going to find in the box. A rotatable light fixture that doesn't require no tools to adjusting this. Comes with an electric mounting plate that you have to mount to your electrical junction box. And it comes with 4 light bulbs, GU10 plug-in that goes to the socket. And it comes with these 2 bolts. Make sure you don't lose these when you're installing a light fixture, even with the electrical junction box, to make sure this light fixture is secure and not loose. It comes with wire nuts, screws, and winders for installing the mounting plate for the light fixture. And those 3 wire nuts for installing the wires, even if your electrical junction box doesn't come with these wires, even if you're doing electrical wiring installation. It comes with owner's manual for instructions on how to install an adjustable light fixture. So I'm going to show you how to install it into my closet. You just need to remove those 2 screws to be able to mount this metal plate to the junction box. Once you remove those 2 flathead screws, you just need to mount the screws to this metal bracket and attach it straight to the junction box. Once you mount the electrical mounting plate with the new one, you just need to get your new light fixture. We're going to connect the wires to the new light fixture. So you just need to connect the hot wire to the black. Just need to get your black wire and connect it to the hot wire. And put your wire nuts. and connect the white wire. Just need to connect the white wire to the neutral wire. And connect the copper, which is the ground. Once you're done connecting the 3 wires to the light fixture, make sure you tuck in the wires. Make sure all the wires are tucked in before you mount it. Once you're done tucking all the wires into the junction box, just need to line the 2 holes so you can mount the bolt. Once you align the 2 bolts, just need to get your small bolt and tie in the fixture. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. And you're done. And you just need to install this GU10 LED light bulb into the socket and plug it into the socket. And it takes all 4 of these in the box. And these LEDs do not take any polarity. This is a non-polarity type that doesn't matter which way you install it, will still work once you plug it into the socket. Just always make sure you get a good connection to make sure the bulb works. Just going to turn this so you guys can see better. When you're installing these bulbs, make sure those 2 pins are aligning to the socket so we can get a good connection. And that's it. I'm going to go turn on the power and see if this new LED light fixture works. And these ones with these bulbs are replaceable. If you have an LED bulb that fails, these things typically are replaceable. Just turn the power back on. Now let's test this light fixture to see if it's working. And you can see the LED lights are working. And that's how you replace a light fixture in a walk-in closet. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too, so you'll never miss a video that we upload in this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.